Wait, am I going to switch from my beloved Holy Grail JOVS mask to the INIA Glow Wireless? Well, it's wireless for one, so there's no wires. That's what wireless means. It has red light, blue light, orange light, and this one makes the difference for me, purple, so that I'm getting the red and the blue together. So it means I'm getting all the benefits of red light with blue light, and at the same time, I don't have to do them with separate settings. And the big deal is it's under $150. Okay, I love the shape of this mask, the way it contours your face. It has a real luxury feel. But, and this is a big but, I also like that it has a clip for the wire. The JOVS is 6 times more expensive than the INIA. So when I filmed this video, the JOVS was selling for $729 and the INIA is selling for $119. That's crazy. Okay, so the JOVS has this incredible form-fitting mask. It sits right against my skin where I want it. It's got double bands and it fits really well. The controller has a clip, which works really well. Now, the INIA is also an incredibly flexible mask. So it also sits against your face. It has cutouts for your eyes that you can see are just a bit smaller than the JOVS. So you're gonna get, and if you take a look at the actual backs of the masks, you'll see that the lights around the eyes are closer to the eyes than on the JOVS here. So you may be getting better coverage around your eyes on this. Let's also look at the breathing on both of them. So the JOVS has this little tiny breath hole, which I'm used to, I'm fine with, but honestly, this flexible nose flap is a lot easier to breathe through. And also you've got an opening for your mouth as well. So it just creates a little bit more versatility and an easier breathing experience. The INIA only has one band. And what I do like about them, because I find this confusing when I get masks, they're marked left and right. So that is so helpful when you're actually pinning them on using the Velcro, because if you don't have it the right way, it can be difficult to set up. Anyways, that makes it a lot easier. It has one band, but the band, it does stay in place. It holds your mask in place for you. Okay, let's talk about controllers. I'm a stickler for controllers. It might not be something that you're initially looking for when you're buying a mask, but let me tell you, when you're using it over and over and over again, the quality of the controller becomes a more important deal to you. So this controller, I'm okay with. It's mid for me, okay? I love that it has a clip so that it's not just dangling, or I don't have to find a pocket for it. Which works really well because I tend to do this when I'm wearing pajamas and things like that. So it does work well. I wish that it had a timer on it, and I wish it would tell me what battery was left in it. Now, I have one of the original versions of JOVS, so I believe they have actually upgraded this controller. But yeah, it's got a clip, which works well. But you can't beat this controller, which sits here. It just clips on, it's wireless. And so now you can go anywhere, do anything while you're wearing this mask. And the best thing about it is that it comes with 2. So what often happens with controllers when you don't have the battery sign on it is they run out. You're not sure how much space you have left on it when you're using it and you're running out. So the great thing about the INIA is that they've given you a second controller. So that, say this one were to die, then we can load this one up and you're all set to go. So you always have a backup, and it's just simple USB-A, USB-C. And yeah, it's just such a seamless design, which makes sense. Their brand is called INIA. It's named after an Amazon dolphin for its smooth skin and graceful flow. So I think part of the gracefulness of this is that it is wireless, and that you do have this sort of seamless system with the backup with it. Okay, let's talk about the light, what you're all here for. So this setting is red light, which includes red light and infrared light LEDs. The red light is 630 nanometers. The near infrared light, which you can't see and goes deeper into your skin, is 850 nanometers. So when you're on this setting, you're getting anti-aging, collagen stimulation, and wrinkle smoothing. Now we're on the blue light zone, which is so great for acne, fighting bacteria, and breakouts. So love it that the mask has this now option. So the blue light is 470 nanometers of blue light, and then 850 nanometers of near infrared light again. So it has both the blue and the near infrared light on this, which is amazing. Let's go to the next setting. So this is the orange light, which is 610 nanometers. This one is a more gentle light, obviously, from the nanometers. And it also includes 850 near infrared light in nanometers. So this one is more for brightening, for pigmentation, for even skin tone. And I do like the option of orange for people who have skin that is more sensitive, that need a lower setting. Maybe you have acne, redness, then this would be a good option for you. Now here is my favorite setting on the INIA. The red and blue, so it includes the red, which has 630 nanometers, the blue, which is 470 nanometers, and then the 850 nanometers of near infrared light on it here, which is invisible. So I like how they combine the red and the blue a lot because it combines your anti-aging and your anti-acne effects together all in one setting. Okay, the irradiance of the INIA mask is 105 milliwatts per centimeter squared. Now, average masks run anywhere from 40 to 150 milliwatts per centimeter square. So this falls well within the range of an irradiance that you're looking for in a mask. Let's talk about the number of lights you get between the two masks. So on the JOVS, you've got 140 beams of laser. And then on the INIA, you have 272 medical grade LED lights. Now, because this one changes color, you've got the red, you've got the near infrared, you've got the blue, the orange, which would be yellow and red, and then you've got the purple, which is the blue and the red. So because you have all these colors, each one of these has 4 lights. So you've got 4 by 68, like there's 68 lights, but each one has 4 lights, right? It's got red, near infrared, blue, and then yellow probably, which comes up as orange. Okay, so let's talk about some of the problem areas that we're focusing on if we're talking about wrinkles and fine lines. So because the JOVS has the laser, and especially the targeted laser around the eyes and the mouth, a little bit on the forehead, you're going to get more targeted on this one. Now, the INIA, I'm grabbing for it all the time. Obviously, it's ease of use. It means because I can do the blue and red at the same time. But even just holding them up to each other, I love how this light gives an even coverage. But also, I do find that around the eyes, as I showed earlier, the lights to me are just a little bit closer around the eyes, and I feel like you're going to get more coverage. I can still see through these holes. This hole is much bigger and very easy to see through, but these ones you can see through them, but I just feel like the lights are closer to the eyes on this one. Okay, warranty and return policy. So they both have a 1-year warranty, the JOVS, but this INIA, if you register it, you can get an extra year if you register it. So 1-year warranties, potentially 2-year warranties if you take that step of registering it. Now let's talk about the return policy. So for returns, JOVS will take it back in 14 days, which I think is a very low number for a return policy. Now, I've had this mask for over a year now. I've never had any problems with it. It's been really definitely in that luxury brand trusted category for me in terms of a lot of the masks I've tried. But this one, you can return it in 90 days. And I do think that is a valuable offer, because I will tell you that having tested a lot of different red light therapy devices and masks, that there are issues, things sometimes go wrong. It's electrical, right? Sometimes a little panel of lights go out, and there's just some faulty wiring. And to know that I had 90 days to put it through its paces and that I can still return it within that time, that would be really peace of mind for me. One other thing about being a creator, working with brands, what I want to say about INIA is that they're standing on business. They believe in their product. This is one of the first companies that I've worked with that has been not only open to me comparing their mask to another mask in a video, but actually it was encouraging it. And to me, that means that they believe in their product. They know what they have is good quality and good value. So yeah, INIA's standing on business, and I'm super impressed to be working with a brand like this. Brass tacks, as my husband likes to say. Which one would I buy? Well, the JOVS mask for me has been the one that I've been wearing every single morning for over a year now. I love this mask. As I say, it's my holy grail. However, since INIA sent me this mask, I've been grabbing for this one. And there's a number of reasons for it. The one is the light with the purple, so that I can do my red and blue simultaneously. It's just so much more efficient. The other thing is that it's wireless. It's just such a light mask, so easy to wear, that I find it's fantastic for me. I love this mask. Also the price point, if you are just getting into masks, then this mask, you can't beat the price. It's under $150. The JOVS is 6 times more expensive. Sure, if I had unlimited resources, I would buy the JOVS. But I'm in this lucky situation where I review masks, people send me masks, and I get to choose between. Now, I think that's an important thing to say, because I've got both of these now, and I'm wearing the less expensive one, the one with better value, and the one that is more efficient. I don't think we can underestimate efficiency when we're talking about self-care things that we do in a day, because you and I both have so much to do in a day. I'm running a couple of YouTube channels, a membership community, you have a job, or you're running your own business, or you have children, or you're going to school. And so spending all day on our self-care is just not possible. But if there are ways that we can make it more efficient, like this, with this cordless wireless battery and then a backup battery, I mean, I don't think it gets any better than that. So if you are just getting into red light therapy, an LED mask that you're looking for, then I would highly recommend the INIA. I have been thoroughly enjoying it. I still have my JOVS, but this, for the price point, the value, the efficiency, I don't think it can be beat. So let me know below in the comments where you're at with your red light journey. Are you just tapping in? Are you looking for something more affordable maybe? Or have you already been wearing them? Are you looking now at the masks that have come out since a year ago with the multiple lights? Let me know what you're looking for, because that really helps me when I'm choosing which brands to work with next.